Hi there, I am Simon Nocton, and I'm a mind-body guide. And in this video, I would like to share an introduction to EFT tapping, or emotional freedom technique, meridian tapping. So, EFT Meridian Tapping is a mind-body tool. It's extremely powerful, and it involves tapping on on meridian acupressure points around the head and chest. There's 9 different points, and it allows us to release energy from the meridian nervous system and from our wider electromagnetics. It's extremely powerful. Using EFT can allow us to overcome many different challenges. They can be emotional challenges, mental challenges, physical and health challenges. By clearing the energy that is stuck in our systems and that wants to move, we create capacity in our system for it to resolve issues. The body and the mind can heal itself. The body can heal itself from anything if we can clear enough energy and create enough capacity in our system for it to do that. So EFT is a very nurturing, very simple, very accessible tool which you can do in a number of minutes, which is very simple to learn, that can really release energy from your system, calm your system, and we use it in conjunction with scripts, which can really help to clear lots of energy at the kind of intersection of the conscious, subconscious, and superconscious mind. Because when we are connected to the superconscious through this technique, somehow miracles really can happen. So, how do we do it? It's really straightforward. 9 different acupressure points, and we talk through it. So I'll teach you the 9 acupressure points. The first one is the karate chop point, and we very simply tap 3 fingers on the karate chop point, like that. And then you come to the inner eye, so where the eyebrow hits the bone. And you come here, this is the third spot, just again where the bone is, so not the temple, but the bone. And you can use 1 hand or 2 hands. So that's the bone, that's where the acupressure point is. Under the nose, under the mouth, between the lip and the chin, underneath the collarbone. It's a very powerful point. And then underneath the arm at kind of nipple height. And then the crown of the head. Okay, so that is 1 round, and those are the 9 different points. So with that explanation, let's just do a round. So whatever is going on for you in your life, whether you're navigating a serious health issue, you're navigating a relationship challenge, a work challenge, whatever might be going on for your life. Maybe you're navigating a breakup, maybe you're trying to heal from a chronic illness, maybe you're just you feel anxious, maybe you feel depressed. Whatever is going on for you, have a go and see how you get on. A number of things can happen. First of all, you can do the sequence, and the first thing that can happen is you don't feel anything, and that's fine. Sometimes it can take a while to build up your sensitivity to it. But if you keep doing it and if you keep exploring it, maybe you can try it every day for a week, every day for 2 weeks. You'll start to build up a sensitivity to it. And things that might happen, You might yawn, you might tear, you might hiccup or burp, maybe even. If you have anything like that, maybe the gut kind of gurgles. If there are any signs like that, beyond like actual emotional shift, then um, then those are good signs that there is some kind of release in the system and you're shifting from nervous system states. The second thing that can happen is sometimes it can bring up emotion, and you can be like, "Whoa, this feels choppy," but that is a really good sign. Okay, something's happening. We're onto something. Okay, allow it to come, and you can keep on doing it. But if that is happening, it's a really good sign that emotion is coming up to go out. You know, emotion is it's all just energy in our system that wants to move. Um, and the third thing that can happen is you feel relief, you feel calm, and you feel more grounded. Okay, so whatever is going on for you, and however stuck you feel, and however insurmountable the challenge in front of you feels, then you really can just suspend disbelief, go through the process, and see where you get to by the end of it. So, because I know how it feels. You can be in situations and you just think nothing works. Nothing is going to work in this situation. In relationships, health, life situations, you just feel, how do I get out of this? So allow EFT to really open up some expanse for you. Okay, so let's start again with the karate chop point. And basically, you should repeat after me, either to yourself in your mind or out loud if you can do and you're willing to. You can repeat the script after me. So, even though this situation seems very challenging, I choose to welcome in new possibilities. Even though I can't yet see a way through this, I really welcome new avenues for me to navigate. Okay, so then you come up to the inside of the eye. I feel stuck. I feel overwhelmed. I feel heavy. I feel angry for being in this situation. Come underneath the eye. I feel helpless. Nothing ever works out for me. And I feel alone with this problem. Whatever the problem is, fill in the blank. I feel alone. And I feel like a victim. A victim to my circumstances. Oh, why me? Why am I in this position? Why, again, am I facing such a serious challenge? Okay, and then you come underneath the arm. I'm sad. I'm angry. I'm resentful. And you come to the top. I just don't want to be in this position. I want to get out of the loop. Okay. So then we do a second round. But I wonder what else is possible. Maybe tapping on my face will help me. I don't know how it'll help me, but maybe I don't need to understand. What will happen if I can start to let go of trying to control this situation? That seems very counterintuitive. I've got to fix this. I'm the one that's in charge. I need to fix it. But what if I can surrender? What if I can allow my system to start to do some of the healing itself? Maybe I just need to get out of the way. Maybe this working on finding a solution is an old way. Can I just allow freedom? What is it in this experience that is serving me? I may feel sad and scared and alone. But maybe I can be a bigger container of compassion than all the pain in my system. Maybe this experience is serving me. Thank you, universe. I am ready to receive what I need to receive. I am ready to open up to the possibility that the resolution can come to me simply. That I can relax. That the body can heal itself. That the mind can calm. And that relationships can align. Okay. So you can take a big deep breath in and a big deep breath out. And you can just pause. So this is EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, Meridian Tapping. It is a game-changing mind-body technique. Incredibly simple to do. Many different scripts that you can do with it. You You can do it just by itself, and after some practicing with it, and once you build up a sensitivity to it, it can just clear tension, closure, anxiety that's in your system by doing one round. It takes 1 minute. Or with scripts, it can be more elaborate. So I would love to hear how it is for you. If you have any questions, any comments, if you what did you feel after doing it? So yes, let me know how it goes, and I really hope it can serve you.